to Gina's Kitchen Adventure. Today we are going to make a coconut pancake for breakfast. Come and watch me! We will combine the ground almonds, coconut flour, baking powder, salt and cinnamon in a small bowl, and then we will set aside. In a second bowl, we will stir together the coconut oil and honey, and then we will whisk in the eggs, almond milk, and vanilla extract if you have, but this time we don't have a vanilla extract. We will mix the dry ingredients into the batter and mix gently until just combined. Don't overwork the batter, otherwise the pancake won't be as fluffy. Tablespoon of coconut oil in a frying pan over a medium heat. Use a ladle to spoon a little butter carefully into the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the far side. Now we will check the underside and flip when it is golden brown already. I'm struggling, it's very difficult to flip it up, and cook for a further couple of minutes on the other side. After the first batch is being cooked, just continue this process until all of the batter has been used, adding more coconut oil to the pan as needed. Our pancake is ready. Yeah. Now we are going to try our pancake, coconut pancake that we made. We put some honey. We will try it. It is yummy. Look. Yum, yum. The salt and the sweet, it balanced together. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.